What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing my first ever product review for this channel, and it's going to actually be the microphone I use on both this new channel I've started and my gaming channel. It is the Yeti GX microphone. You can buy it on Amazon. It's about $150, which I know is a little bit on the pricey side for some of you guys, but I know a lot of people when they start streaming or content creation or they want to do vlogs or whatever they want to do, you want to buy a mic, you want to get a good mic that's going to sound good and make your voice clear and crisp, but it's difficult to know. No one wants to throw away $100 on a microphone that doesn't sound great. I did try a couple other mics, not going to name names. Wasn't super happy with them. This mic is great for the price point. $150 gets you a really solid microphone. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I personally have 4 children. So when I'm trying to record or make videos and stuff like that, it can be super frustrating when my kids do crazy things in the background, but this microphone's great. Literally, my kids are playing Roblox in the other room right now, and I hear them screaming right now, but you guys can't because the mic has such good feedback resistance. So your voice will come out crystal clear, and it does a really good job of avoiding background noise and static and feedback. And as you guys can see, like, I'm decently far from the mic here. I don't have to scream in it. It's like I'm just talking like I would have a regular conversation. It still picks up clean and clear, and I don't even have to boost the audio afterwards in editing. So overall, I would give it like an 8.5 out of 10. It's very reliable. I have never had a problem with it. It has a mute button, which is helpful when I need to yell at my kids or something like that. It has a mute button, it has a volume thing. I mean, really, it's got everything you need. It's simple though. Microphones can be very difficult to get into because you start reading about the different types of microphones, the different shapes of microphones. This is such a good entry-level one. Literally, I bought it, I plugged it in, and I started recording. I didn't have to adjust fancy settings like you'll read all the time about, like feedback resonance and all these other things, and like, oh, just do this with your microphone, adjust this setting. I don't have to adjust anything. I plug in the microphone, I talk, it sounds like this. All right, now I want to give you guys an example of why a microphone is important if you're recording. So I'm going to use my Yeti GX, as you guys have heard the whole time, and now I'm going to do a short little clip for you guys with my Logitech webcam, and you guys will hear how bad it sounds comparatively. All right, this is the difference in sound, and I'm actually raising my voice a little bit so you guys can actually hear it. As you see, it's a lot more diluted. It's not as clean. It's not as crisp. It is significantly worse. And this is not a cheap webcam. This was about, I think it was like an $80 Logitech webcam. So this isn't junk either. So just for the reference. All right, guys, now 2 things. 1, you notice how important audio quality is. 2, if you've watched this video this far, you must find some kind of value in it. So I thank you. If you wouldn't mind at least hitting the like button for me, it helps me a ton. And if you guys are interested in seeing more stuff like this, subscribe to the channel and you'll be catching a ton more gear reviews in the future. Anyway, moving on. As you can see, audio quality can make or break a channel. Can you imagine if I did this whole video with that Logitech webcam? You guys would not have been watching 10 seconds into the video, and I wouldn't blame you. Audio quality and video quality are 2 of the most important things for a new streamer, new video creator, new content creator, any of it, okay? You can cheap out on a lot of things. You cannot cheap out on video quality, audio quality. Those 2 things matter. Those 2 things in your personality can take you very far on YouTube if you just work at it. This is the same stuff I use on my channel that has over 5,000 subscribers for my gaming content. As you guys can see, it's good enough to get you there. It's good enough to get you in the door, and it's definitely good starting level equipment. Not everyone has $10,000 to spend on equipment, but between getting a good microphone and a good webcam, usually about 200-ish bucks can get you started. Now, I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you guys, if you are making content, I wish you all the luck in the world. If you guys are making videos, streaming, YouTube, whatever you guys are doing, I wish you luck, and I hope this microphone serves you guys as well as it served me so far. I will throw a link in the description for you guys if you want to buy it. I do get a small affiliate bonus if you guys buy it, but it doesn't give you guys any extra charge or anything like that. It's just a small little thing for me sending you guys that way. Anyway, thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next video.